Charmers, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Yana Su, and I guess you know because I mentioned Charmer. So this video is unboxing of this Boxycharm. It came in at 4 p.m. so it's kind of late to do a try on. So this will only be unboxing, and if you're interested what are the items I got in this month, then please keep on watching. So, the first item that will welcome you when you open the box is this Boxycharm card right here. And for today's month theme is wildflower. And I'm in an 8 variety. So, it's weird because normally they only have until 3 variety. 1, 2, 3. But this time, I don't know why they have 8. Until 8. So how many varieties? Anyway, so the first item we got here is this pretty vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. This one right here. It looks so huge. And yes, this is the palette. And I'm seeing kickbacks right here, which I don't know why there is mess. I never used it. Nobody swatches it, I guess. You would know if somebody swatches it, but this one it doesn't have, but there's already mess around. For now, I would say I'm not really happy receiving these shades because I already have a lot of shades in my collection, like this kind of shades. I might give a review and probably I might change my mind. I might like it. Next item that we receive is this Galactic Skin Glow Duo. This is the packaging right here. And look at that. I don't know if it moved or it's just the design. And I'm seeing oils on my mirror. I don't understand why. It looks like, I don't know. And it says here, Skin Glow Moonlight. And this retails for $26. I already have Skin Glow cream, and I think I don't need more of that. Next item that we receive in today's month is this Alamar Cosmetics Ojito brush set, and this retails for $18. These are the brushes here. I like this one. I could use this to pack my foundation, my eyeshadows, and the rest are like shader flat brushes. Like I've said, this retails for $18. And the second to the last item that we receive in today's month is, I think my camera is blurry, so we have here Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick Semi Matte, and the brand is Grande Cosmetics or Grand Cosmetics, and this costs $25. So this is the packaging right here, and this is the product. You would see what shade you're getting. It's super red, and that's it. I'm not gonna swatch it too because I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that, so probably I'll just give it away. And the last item that I received that cost $14 is this Luscious Cosmetic Angel Eye Primer. So it's so timing. I mentioned primer earlier as I was doing my makeup, and I said I don't need eyeshadow primer, and oh, look at that. I received an eyeshadow primer, and this is the eyeshadow primer here. This retails for $14. So I'm gonna place somewhere the overall total of the items that we receive in today's month. But for now, this is the final. See, it looks so pretty, but overall, I'm not really happy with the items that I receive in today's month. Hopefully next month it'll be better and better. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, then please don't forget to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next post, and thanks for watching. Bye.